What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for IREN Limited, ticker symbol IREN. This was a viewer's request, and thank you for your donation. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So let's take a look at the daily chart for IREN. Well, obviously, it's pushing up higher today, almost 9%. Most likely, it will continue higher, and I'll go over the reasons why. So let's just go over the price action dating to about May-ish. So you can see that price had a double top at the 1555. You can see that price found resistance right over here. And then all of a sudden in December, it hit the same level and then sold off sharply. After the large sell-off, price had a correction higher in the form of two small legs up. You can see that these are two measured legs up. They're the same size, one leg up right here. If you drag the same arrow over, you can see that it coincides right where the price stalled out at the 1257, and it sold off lower. So why didn't price continue down lower towards the other measure move target? So this was one leg down right here. After two legs up, it can mark the center of a pattern for another large leg down to the 643. So why did that not occur? Well, first of all, there was a nice triple bottom that developed at the $10 level. As you can see here, price bounced off this level once, twice, three times. So there was a nice triple bottom that developed. Also, if you zoom out, you have to look at the entire picture. The price was making higher lows. As you can see here, we have a low, and then we have another higher low, a higher low, a higher low, and then higher low, and then so on. We have higher lows. So there's a strong bullish imbalance on the chart. So bears basically were trapped. As you can see here, when traders are going short, to get out of the position, they have to go long. They have to buy back their share. So, for example, if they're going short right over here, they have the stop loss to buy right over here. So you can see that when price hit above or broke through that level, that's when you see the big moves. You see the stop loss is being ran. So the stop loss is being hit. It's adding fuel to the fire. Buyers are also buying in. Buyers have their buy orders here. Stop loss is down here or wherever they're putting it. You can put it anywhere. That's going to be a good position to put it. So it's pushing up higher, and the next target is right around the mid $15 level once again. So it's coming back up to test that prior level. That's what price does. It tests levels. So now it cannot pass through this level. Now it's going back up to the top one. So who knows what's going to happen here? Are we going to push through for a rally? Are we going to get rejected for a triple top once again? I mean, who knows? No one knows for sure. No one can predict the future with 100% certainty, but a good estimation or a probability would be for price to break out higher. And I'll go over the reasons why for that. So price is making higher lows, which is a bullish sign. And look what happened before. See, the key in what's going to happen next most likely is in the details. When price hit this $15 level, so let's use a measuring tool. When price hit the $15 level, let's see how much it dropped. It dropped 61%, and then price rallied higher. When it hit the same level, look what happened. It only dropped 38%. So what does that tell you? It means that sellers aren't as strong as they once were previously. So the selling pressure is drying up. So you see that price hit this level, it dropped down this much. When price hit the same level again, it only dropped down, partially. It wasn't the full amount. And now price is pushing up higher once again. So if price does find resistance here, it might not be as large as the other two times. Maybe it's only 20%. And then we see price move up higher. Or we just break through it regardless. So overall, it's looking bullish to me. Bears failed to continue down lower immediately. The bullish trend line is holding. There's not a lot of resistance up until probably the mid $15 level. And most likely, we will probably see a breakout of that level. Now let's take a look at the weekly chart. Here's a look at the weekly chart, and you see that price is making higher highs, higher lows. This is a good sign. We can look for longer term targets. All this is one large leg right here. This was the second leg up. Price basically reached the target. So all this is basically one large leg up now. And this is the second leg up. And this is the target. The next target is at the $20 level. So if you do see a breakout of the mid 15s, the next target is the $20.71 level before we see a bigger correction. So that's how I'm looking at IREN. It looks bullish to me. Earnings report coming out sometime next month. Overall, expecting higher prices. EMA is also pointing up, which is a good sign. Most of the price bars are above it, and we're no longer overextended from the EMA as well. So price is ready for an expansion, not a contraction. So I'm expecting higher prices. It looks pretty good short term and long term for IREN. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.